Alrighty, 8098Z. Here is our room. Let's check it out for a room tour. So as you walk in, you're gonna have your bathroom on the left-hand side here. So let me back up here. All right, so as you enter the room, Sammy's in here right now. Bathroom on the left. Here is your closet, which I don't remember them having a curtain here, but maybe they did. I have to go back and look. So you got a curtain right there. You got a place to put your suitcase. A little bit of bins here. You can put your toiletries, maybe underwear, socks. Throw shoes in there, I guess. You got a spot for shoes there and there. Really nice, ample area to hang all of your items. Nice hangers. These are rubber hangers, which are nice. So if you're a woman and you need the rubber so your stuff doesn't fall off, these are nice rubber hangers. This is your toiletry, or this is your dirty clothes bag. So you can actually fill this up, turn it in, they'll do your laundry for you. Over here, we've got our light switches. You got your, if you don't want people to come in, or if you want people to come in because you want your room made up. And then let's go and venture into the restroom, the bathroom section over here. Turn that AC all the way down. Let's turn our light on. Never mind, turn our light on. Left-hand side, 2 areas to hang your bathroom towels or maybe a wet bathing suit. Here is your standard toilet. Flusher right there, you gotta hold that button. Couple towels. You got your nice, big, beautiful shower. Look, you got like a rain shower, plus you got the wand. Well, we are back. You know what's crazy is I pressed the little blue button to clean our room, and she rang our doorbell because she thought I needed our room cleaned. I was just showing them what the blue button does. So we are back now. You got the big, beautiful rain shower. Look, you got this thing you can pull across if you need to hang your bathing suits. You got your hair wash, the Red Flower hair conditioner and body wash. You got the wand, something there if you need to hang on to it. You got your makeup towels. You got 2 glasses there, little place to put your toothbrush. The most negative thing I have to say about the bathroom is there's not enough space to put things. Not very much floor area here. Double toilet paper rolls, kind of cool. You got your mat right there to lay out on the floor. Standard sink. Looks like that thing's about to fall off. Got a big, beautiful mirror. And that right there is your bathroom. So let's close that up and let's check out the room itself. So as we come into the room, oh, we missed this. Big old closet with a big mirror so you can see everybody. Nice safe. I love these safes so much better. And you can put a whole iPad in here. Look how far back it goes. Oh my goodness, that is a huge safe. Put your laptop or your iPad in there. Sammy's already, oh, what is that? It's a hair dryer. Places for your underwear, shirts. Yeah, nice soft clothes. That's cool. Storage down there. Life jackets, hopefully we don't need those. Storage right here. And then as we enter in more, here is going to be your bed. Beautiful king-size bed. Blanket. They do have some throw pillows, which is cool. Most places don't do the throw pillows. On this side, you're going to have 2 USB outlets and a standard American plug. Let's see what these do. Alright, so a couple light switches right there. Lights right there. Place to put your drink or your foods, kind of cool. Place to hang your jackets. Look at the ambiance lighting right there is really cool. Standard television, we're going to have to watch our drill video. We did have a bucket of beers delivered for me, which is kind of cool. They could have used a little more ice. It's starting to die down there. Sammy's got her table right there, which is really nice. A couple more light switches. Is this a drawer?
Yes, someone commented on our videos. I had no idea.
Look at the drawer right there. That's a big drawer.
I know.
A couple towels. It's nice. They just leave you towels. Isn't that so nice? They leave you beach towels. Chair for you to sit in. Kind of an odd chair for your desk area, but a desk chair, garbage can. This is a hot stuff mat. That's kind of cool. You got your iPad that's going to control some of the lights. And, wow, is it not on? Must be dead. There it goes. We got to do our assembly station drill first, but that'll control some lights, AC, stuff like that. Got your phone, got a lamp. Where is the other, is there no, oh, here we go. Let's check this out. This is always important. So you got an international plug, an American plug, you got 2 110 volt plugs, international plug, and then you do have 2 USBs, which is nice. However, one of the USBs is taken up for the charger for your iPad, so that's kind of stupid, but you got that. Now, one thing about Virgin, they do not have water bottles. So this is your water. They come in these vases like this. Normally, I remember there only being 1, but maybe they only brought 2. So those are that. Let's see if this closes that. Oh, yeah, that's cool.
You know what I think is new, guys? It used to only have these curtains and a sheer. These, like, mesh curtains are definitely new. 100%. Or just on Resilient.
Click the button so I can watch it open.
Oh. Isn't that? And you can do it from your bed on the iPad in the morning.
So cool.
Yeah.
Very nice ambiance right there. Check out in here, you got a fridge. Let's check the cold temp. Sammy put a bottle of wine in there. You can bring 2 bottles of wine on per cabin. It's actually kind of cold, which is nice. Actually kind of chilled. So we did bring on 2 bottles of wine. There is no alcohol package on Virgin, so watch the rest of our videos to find out about that. There's our other bottle of wine, some storage right there. Then as we open up these, the signature red hammock. Wow, that thing is like a little sketchy right there. Signature red hammock for you to sit in and enjoy. Chair, little like pub table kind of thing right there, center table. Here's our balcony. Wow, those people can like see in our balcony. That's kind of weird. Kind of an average balcony. I guess we got kind of lucky because we have this boat here, but if that was here, you would never see that. Those are dished in pair balconies. Huh. Sail the Virgin Way. That is our balcony room right there. And that right there is the room tour on board the, what are we on, baby? Resilient Lady. Kind of cool. A lot of open area underneath your bed for you to store your suitcases.
Ernie, that was a normal sea terrace here on Resilient Lady, specifically 8098Z. Comment down below if that's your cabin number. That would be pretty cool. A little bit different. We've been on 3 ships now out of 4. There are some new things, like the heat mat's new, the curtains are new. Definitely the towels with that little bin, that's definitely new. So they have done some new things, just minor touch-ups. It's nice to see a cruise line adapt and actually add things over time. I mean, this is not an old ship, and every single time we're on these ships, something is new. So at least they're listening to feedback, and they're changing things in the rooms, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, that's what it is. Like, subscribe, check out all of our other Resilient Lady content, and we're gonna go to the galley. See you later.